What do you have there?
This is the JMGO N3 Ultra Max. I've been waiting to buy this projector forever, and this is like the latest and greatest version. I'm so excited to check it out. Let's dive in. It comes in this really cool travel case that's made out of protective foam. It's got a handle and a lock. I think that means you could take it anywhere and it'll be safe. Super nice packaging. This means anywhere I want a projector, I'll be able to take it without any care about what might happen. Really well packaged. This thing is a beast. This is gonna have 4600 lumens, so you'll be able to run it absolutely anywhere and it'll look incredible. Better than any TV you've ever looked at. At 110 inches, it's brighter than an iPhone 16 Pro. Absolutely amazing. We've got our power adapter here, accessory box, really cute plug. I like it when designers take the extra attention and just put design into everything. We've got this special remote here. What's super cool about this is if you point the remote at anywhere, the projector will literally turn and follow the remote. That's like total magic. I've never seen anything like it. Let's pull out the projector. Wow.
Is it heavy?
It's super heavy. Like, I know that weight isn't just the only way you should measure quality, but like, there's no way this thing isn't the best projector I've ever seen. Like, it's so dense with projector power. I'm so excited. I think we should plug it in and try it out.
Let's go.
Maybe even a lot of people complained. Wait, we recorded. This should have been like a GAN charger, but it's still using like the old large style. So a big change on the N3 is that all the connections are down in the base, and that's really important because the N3 introduces the ability to automatically turn the gimbal and move up and down. So if those connections were on the projector itself, it would be a big mess with all the wiring. So because they're on this base, it makes it super simple. All right, let's get the remote. Is it on?
It's a button.
Bonfire.
Is the keystone correction automatic?
欢迎使用坚果智能投影。
Long press. Press.
There you can
Press.
drive.
Yeah. Ooh.
Is it doing that, or are you doing?
It's automatic.
Oh, it's like scanning. Okay.
Okay. Brightness.
Full brightness. It's pretty bright.
You can do adaptive.
Wow.
Different mode. Oh. Full brightness.
That's bright.
Is it brighter?
I think it's about the same
Yeah.
to me.
I think.
Oh yeah.
It is
yeah,
brighter,
It is
yeah.
brighter.
Performance mode.
We need to get the liquid cooler.
Okay. So we use a
它等一下可以
Standard
切换英文吗？
so when you walk in front of it, it doesn't blind you.
Yeah. Hmm?
No, it's still blinding you. Nice.
Could be.
Wow.
Update.
No!
Update the remote. The firmware.
It's pretty nice. Like, nice weight.
Yeah. Similar to my Xiaomi remote.
A lot of people are back and forth. There's like a Xiaomi projector that a lot of people said was like a little bit better than the N1S, but the N3 is like just inching that one out now.
I've had mine for 5 years.
I
I would expect something better than it.
I have no idea exactly how I'm gonna use this. If it's like a bedroom thing or at least Taiwan office. Now we can watch The Simpsons on the big screen. It's like I don't know. It's like it's really a big, impressive thing. But
The slip ring is really has to be really good to give all the signal, right? HDMI 2.0 slip ring
I don't know.
and
If
all the power.
I don't know if it has a slip ring. It might just like
No, this thing is
it can just keep circling though.
I mean, at least it's here. You don't think it's a slip ring? It's just
I have a feeling it can just go back and forth, and it's just the wire has enough
Oh,
tolerance.
maybe.
So,
But
look at that.
but a lot of the new
It's-
projectors, they all do the automatic keystone correction. So you can move this and then it adjusts the image to be rectangle.
It's already.
Oh shit! The UI is pretty nice.
Let me try to translate
English. It's the big, most important discovery. Or else I'll look through my Google Translate.
系统。用吗？真的，刚刚。
Oh, that's a lot better. I think you need to select your output to that projector.
How do you mean?
From your laptop, you need to output audio to projector.
Oh.
So you can hear it. It should have speakers.
The audio.
Hey Steven.
他买了投影仪啊。
Yeah.
Usually the written no.
Maybe just the movie. It's the 1080p movie.
Okay.
Sound?
Full. It's all the way up.
You may need to restart the player.
Oh wait.
Now there's some bass.
Hey, can you put the high performance mode?
Hey guys, there's nothing we can do to stop it. But when you get there, make sure people get to a safe place.
Alright, Danny, where am I headed? There's a kids park on Main.
Make sure to get people to basements, big buildings, no windows, stay away from windows, no cars, alright?
Alright, careful, y'all.
Stay safe out there, copy.
We're gonna find a new position. Put these.
Crazy.
Wrong. You could have heard the man.
This 2 days ago, you could have heard the man.
You better call him crazy.
Fucking A. I just want to talk.
Hey, those are Nikon cameras.
Do you know about this
Away,
movie?
he disappeared out in the jungle.
I mean, have
Oh,
watched
He
it.
feels comfortable
I've
with
never
his
watched it.
people.
I've been waiting to.
He forgets himself with his people.
I
Forgets
don't think
himself.
colorful movies.
Yeah.
Oh wait, here we
Maybe
go.
we should wait back at the boat.
You can do at least 1440p. Okay. It's a little richer than my screen.
The screen.
Yeah,
Do
a
you
little.
think it's warmer?
The
or
saturation is a little higher.
It's just the saturation.
Yeah.
Do you have the gray bars? Is it in ambient mode or something?
My screen is 16 by 10.
No, but it.
This is 16 by 9.
Is it? Are those bars really gray, or is that?
I think it's YouTube player.
Doing the ambient mode?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you know there's no bar.
My goodness. This is just what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna have it play Honey 24/7 on the walls.
Oh, I need to choose audio output. Darker environment.
Yeah.
You can watch with lights on,
But
but
it's not great.
yeah, you definitely want to get a screen, a dedicated screen for it. The one that reflects ambient light.
One day, when you're repaid, I will look at projector screens.
Right. AK?
Is AK a thing?
Yeah. I made AK videos. What do you mean is AK a thing?
Times. $8K. Jack.
Hey. Wait.
Wow.
这个1万多块钱还可以。前提是我们家没现在这么大的房子，被那个投不出去。
Well, it doesn't. Maybe I'm too close.
它可以切换英文版吗？
找不到。
It doesn't seem to want to move anymore. Oh, it's stuck.
哦。
So it doesn't look like it.
You can.
Oh, it can. It can. I literally have to
You
turn.
can. You can keep the mouse. Keep the.
哎，还能这种手啊，这么屌。
Where was the case?
Oh. I don't quite understand exactly. I mean, this is amazing. This is the greatest technology innovation of our time. It's the most Yeah, I can't control it. I have no idea what the fuck it's supposed to be. Am I supposed to point? Am I just turn?
You turn.
I want to see it autocorrect this. Can it? No.
I doubt it. It's too much perspective.
这是热感有点厉害哦。这个。
它现在是亮度开到最高，那就开风扇出。
I don't think it will turn more.
Oh, it is. It is correcting to this perspective. This can do some really cool insulation design. Yeah.
Projection mapping.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it'll do a full 360 though. It did not.
No, you need multiple of these.
No, I mean I don't. It didn't want to do a full turn. But it seems like you just spin around is the. Yeah, I don't think you.
It's pulling on.
Oh.
Unplug the HDMI cable, and no, it's probably the power
I
cord.
think it's the power.
Hey guys, let's go to the hair lunch.
Okay. 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do I push now? What are the options?
Previous step or next step?